Alright, loading the tool. First of all, we're going to put our caps in, like so, by popping open magazine holder for the caps, sliding down like so until it reaches the back spring on the back, making sure nice and tidy in there, closing the latch like so, turning and pressing down and feeding the caps up until they're in the firing line of the safety. Next, we're going to load the nails by opening up the latch, grabbing our nails, putting them inside the magazine, sliding the nails over the top, making sure we're nice and inside the chamber like so, and also underneath the forks that the cylinder push the nails into the firing chamber after it's been released, like so, and close the magazine gate and then the gate latch till it clicks, like so. Alright, now we have our fasteners all safety locked and loaded, ready to go. PPE, safety glasses and ear protection. Holding the tool down and away from us for safety, connecting the hose, and we're good to start fastening. Here we have the wall underlay, or also known as the early close-in system. Press the nose in. Once we've pressed fire and go, we're going to bring the tool out straight. We're not going to drag it down like so. Straight in, straight out. Straight in, straight out. Well, that's it, team. Thank you for watching this overview video on the Delfast Roll Cap Nailer.